What if one simple daily habit could support your liver, improve digestion, help with weight loss, and even protect your kidneys? Today, we're breaking down the real science-backed benefits of drinking lemon water and why it's more powerful than most people think. Let's start with your liver. Drinking lemon water regularly may help reduce fatty liver. This condition, known as hepatic steatosis, is when fat builds up inside the liver. Certain phytonutrients found in lemons can support the breakdown of that fat and improve liver function. When combined with the right diet, this effect can be even more noticeable. Next, cholesterol balance. Lemon water can help stimulate bile production. Bile is essential for breaking down fats and keeping cholesterol moving through your system instead of building up. If your liver or gallbladder is sluggish, this simple habit may help improve that flow. Now let's talk about weight loss, but not in the way you might expect. Lemon water doesn't directly burn fat. Instead, it helps regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin resistance. And here's the key. Lowering insulin is one of the most important factors in fat loss. When insulin drops, your body can finally access stored fat and start burning it. There's also evidence suggesting anti-aging benefits. Some studies have shown that compounds in lemons can support longevity and even improve the health of your gut microbiome, the community of bacteria that plays a huge role in your overall health. Another powerful benefit is its potential anti-cancer properties. Certain compounds in lemons have been shown in lab studies to inhibit the growth of specific cancer cells. While this isn't a cure, it's an important supportive factor for overall health. If you're prone to kidney stones, lemon water becomes even more valuable. It contains citrate, which helps prevent the formation of calcium oxalate stones, the most common type. By binding to oxalates, citrate reduces the risk of these painful stones forming in the first place. Then there's vitamin C, but only if you're using fresh lemons. Bottled lemon juice is often pasteurized, and heat destroys vitamin C. Fresh lemon juice, on the other hand, can provide a significant portion of your daily requirement. Vitamin C supports your immune system, helps produce collagen, and protects your blood vessels. Finally, lemons are packed with powerful phytonutrients. These compounds support circulation, help with conditions like varicose veins and spider veins, and have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. One of them, naringenin, is even being studied for its potential effects on brain health. So how should you use lemon water? Keep it simple. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into water, about half a lemon to a full lemon per day, and make it part of your daily routine. Consistency is what makes the difference. Small habits done daily can create big changes over time. Subscribe for more science-based health insights, and stay healthy.